The Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kamal Nath responds to BJP's charge, says that the government is not hiding anything and that the coal minister will give them a befitting response. Remember, the BJP had raised the issue of the missing coal files and had in fact said that they will be raising the issue on the floor of the House as well. BJP is hammer and tongs against the government on the coal scam, and as of now, we hear that Kamal Nath has responded sharply. Let's listen in.
Any and all matters can be discussed in Parliament, and if the BJP raises this, the government will respond appropriately.
बीजेपी का आरोप है कि जो सरकार कोशिश कर रही है जांच को छुपाने के लिए, सब इस तरह से
कोई सरकार का कोई प्रयास नहीं है कोई चीज छुपाने के लिए। सब चीज खुली है, सब चीज साफ है और मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि
Do you think you should make a statement on and give a reassurance and investigations are going to be transparent? Because
the coal minister will respond to this, and I don't think there's anything the government has to hide.
Well, BJP hits out at the Congress over the missing coal files and says that Congress is shielding the Prime Minister.
The topmost levels in government are involved in coal scam. And therefore, one is not surprised at all that files are missing, because people in the government are out to save the highest levels in government. You know, the Prime Minister was the coal minister, PMO was fully involved in the allotment of coal. Everyone in Delhi knows the story of how coal blocks were allotted, you know, and how pieces of paper used to be sent from the Congress party headquarters to the PMO, and that was the basis on which coal allotments were made. All this is now come home to roost, and therefore they are now fighting a rearguard action in order to see that the highest in the land are not involved in the coal scam. This issue has to be raised in both Houses of Parliament because it's a very serious issue that important files should go missing in this manner, and critical files which will prove the guilt or innocence of somebody.
It is deeply regrettable and condemnable. Coalgate has already impacted the country enormously. The CBI is investigating under pressure of the opposition and the media. The Supreme Court is investigating, monitoring it. How these files, crucial files, were lost? Why? Someone is trying to hide something. There is involvement of PM also, about whom large number of questions had to be raised. One of the law ministers had to be removed earlier. Therefore, we would demand that let the Prime Minister respond, assure the nation that all the files are intact, and we are going to raise the matter in the Parliament.
All right, let's go across to our correspondent Aishwarya for more. Aishwarya, clearly the issue of missing files is becoming a matter of huge embarrassment for the UPA2 government.
Well, that's right. We have heard from Prakash Javadekar to Ravi Shankar Prasad to Yashwant Sinha now, very clearly alleging that this government is trying to save the most senior-most leaders, including that of the Prime Minister. We've seen senior BJP leaders basically alleging that this is nothing but a well-mastered plan of this Congress government to save the Prime Minister and his office, who has held the coal ministry for that specific period of time. But it all came out after Shri Prakash Jaiswal accepting it that yes, there are few specific files which have gone missing, though Kamal Nath just a couple of minutes prior saying that rather this Congress-led UPA government is not trying to basically conceal any evidence in this coal scam. But then the allegations which this major opposition party, that is the BJP, is raising is that in today's time of digitization, how can those very specific files of that coal scam go missing, and that too of that very specific period? Ravi Shankar Prasad alleging very clearly that there is something behind it. Who is that? Whom is basically government trying to save? Yashwant Sinha is spelling it out a bit more clearly that the topmost office of the country, of this government, is basically involved in this coal scam, and that is what BJP have been saying ever since this coal scam broke out, and after the evidence coming coming out that there are certain specific files which have gone missing in this coal scam. BJP has got that ammunition which they were looking for. So a stormy parliament session expected today as well. Back to you.
Right, Aishwarya. So essentially the BJP clearly saying that the government is trying to save or rather shield the PMO facing the heat on this once again. Is there a convincing defense at all that the government can present at this point?
Well, we just heard Kamal Nath, Minister of Parliamentary Affairs, making it very clear that the government is not trying to withhold any information regarding this coal scam. And if BJP raise this very issue on the floor of the House, proper answer would be given. But then, at the end of the day, when their own leader, Shri Prakash Jaiswal, has accepted that, yes, there are few files which have gone missing, there is not much with this which this government could say. BJP is going to attack. A basic suspension notice has been given in the upper house by the major opposition party, so it is expected to be a very stormy session. Prime Minister has just arrived in the parliament just a couple of minutes prior, so it is expected that the BJP would gun for the Prime Minister now and no one else, because they also understand that it is upcoming the assembly polls and then 2014 general elections, in which corruption is going to be their major plank. So they are not going to give even an iota of a space to this Congress-led UPA government.